Hey guys, Morgan's Maintenance. Today's tour review, we're going to be looking at a Blackout Pliers Wrench from Toolant. So here it is right here. Looks a lot like the Knipex Pliers Wrench, or here lately Klein has also introduced some as well at a little bit cheaper value. And that's where this one comes in. It is coming in at $20.99, or at least that's what I got it for. It fluctuates on Amazon a little bit back and forth between 20 and 25. You'll just have to check it out and see what it is. I'll put a link in the description down below. But many people have asked about my Knipex Blackout. These were like a Christmas edition a couple years ago. I think they're pretty well sold out everywhere. You might can find them somewhere. Typically, you're only going to find them on eBay, and those people are charging quite a bit of money. And it's just a black handled version. So this one's 100% black, other than up here on the head. It's got a little bit of that, polished surface right there. Very familiar in the look of it anyways. It looks pretty much just like the Knipex. If you put them side by side, it even has the gold lettering and all that kind of stuff. It actually feels like it's got some pretty good movement in it. This isn't a review for these. I just got these in the mail, so I haven't used them at all. I have used the Klein quite a bit. I have used the Knipex quite a bit. Love both of those. And at first feel, I'm sure this one's going to work out just as well too. So again, this one comes in at $20.99. So it's the cheapest of the bunch because the Klein ones cost you about $25. And then even if you go get a pair of Knipex and it's not the Blackout, you're in that $50 range, something along those lines. So it's at least half the price, if nothing else. But on top of getting the pliers wrench, you also get this right here. It is like a little holder for it, little Velcro holder. And you also get these included. I didn't even know that these came with it. So you are going to get like the soft tips to put on. You have a top and a bottom, like that one says bottom on it right here. Slide those on. So Knipex, you can get these for the Knipex for certain ones. And this is for Cobras. I just kind of got this packaging out here as an example. But you have to buy those separate. So I've got some for my pliers wrench. I keep them in my bag. But you also have to have some that match your pliers wrench. So like this pliers wrench right here, I can put some on it because it's got this little lip versus this style pliers wrench is smooth. They don't have them for these, but these right here, they come with it. So you're getting that included for that $20. You can actually use these. I tried taking these off just for giggles. They aren't as easy to get on and off, but you can actually put them on your Knipex if you really wanted to. They're not really made for it. They don't fit on there perfectly, but I was going to try them on this pair right here in case you have a pair of these. So you can put them on. They'll slide on, they'll fit. If you want to use them, maybe you've got a pair of these and you can't get jaw protectors. You could personally just buy these as an extra set and use those jaw protectors. But taking those off, looking at them side by side, again, if you look at the Blackout especially, gold writing's all the same. They open up, I'm pretty sure the same. Right there, they are side by side. So pretty much exactly the same there. Lay them over top of each other. It's like looking through the same holes into the other one. So very much the same in look, presentation, feel. I'm sure the difference is there in the steel and maybe some other aspects about the engineering and stuff like that. But again, they do say that there is some sort of a lifetime warranty. There's questions. You can scan that barcode possibly and go check it out. I didn't look up what their warranty was because I typically don't mess with the warranty on $20 tools. Now this one is made in China versus the Knipex is obviously made in Germany. So if that's a big deal to you, you can make sure and spend the extra money. I'm sure everybody probably knows how to use a pliers wrench by now. It's pretty much taken over for adjustable wrenches for me, other than maybe holding back on something or something like that. But the nice thing is, once you get to whatever size it is, you can kind of just loosen up the handle a little bit, spin around, grab it again, loosen up the handle, spin around, grab it again. It lets you open and close basically your mouth so that you can continually move around that fastener instead of with an adjustable wrench. You got to thumb it down, thumb it closed, thumb it down, thumb it closed. You don't have to do this with that, and you can squeeze on it and kind of get that hold. But I still feel like adjustable wrenches work better for holding back on a pipe. So sometimes I'll use an adjustable wrench and one of these. I'll use this to break something free, but I'll also still use an adjustable wrench on the other half. But again, that is the Toolant Pliers Wrench Blackout version, 7 1/4. I don't know if they've got other sizes, other colors. I didn't look it up. I was sent these in an email, so I went ahead and purchased these. Again, you do get the jaw protectors, and then also this Velcro case right here with some other slots, so you could even use this as a tool row for something else. These are meant to go in the middle right there. But let me know in the comments below what you guys think about it. Maybe you were wanting, again, the Blackout Knipex, and they kind of out of your price range now, 100%, but you want a pair of Blackout Pliers Wrench. If you were building a blackout setup or something like that, this might be a pretty good option for you. As always, I'm just letting you know that these are out there and available. Hope it's helpful. Stay safe. Have a blessed day. I'll see you in the next video.